Hi, this is Shivam Gaur, and in this video we are going to learn PROC Export. So previously in PROC Export Wizard, there we created one program file where we have a PROC Export. So we are going to use the same one. Here we have a PROC Export. In PROC Export statement, we mention here data equals to sasl.air. Suppose this time I want to export by dataset. So I mention here it's in a sasl library, so we mention sasl.by. Another one is out file equals to the path. So where you want to save it. Suppose again I want to save it in a SAS2 folder and the file name is this time by extension is same .xls. Another one is dbms equals to excel. So excel is the identifier. I want to export this file in excel format, so I'm using excel identifier. And replace option is coming here. If the file is already exists, it will replace it. Okay, let me execute the code. So by range sheet was successfully created. So see, here we are getting by data. Just now it's created 10:35 p.m. 4/13/2018. So this is how we are exporting the data through PROC Export. Thank you.